is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, what's up?
Hi.
Y'all, I don't know if everyone knows who you are, Marissa. You want to tell them who you are?
My name's Marissa, and I am actually one of the business coaches with Deco Exchange.
All right. So, you've only made one other bow, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that was at the mastermind whenever Terry and Mel were teaching how to make bows.
Yes.
By hand. All right. So, you're going to grab your... So, it's big, medium, and small.
Mm-hmm.
I tried 4-inch, 2.5 inch. Like, wait, what? So, you've got a big ribbon.
Uh-huh.
You've got a medium ribbon.
Yep.
And you have 2 small ribbons.
Yep.
So, grab your big ribbon first.
Okay.
All right, get that on your peg there. And then just measure out. Go a couple inches past your stick.
Okay.
All right. I like to lay mine flat. It's just easier for me. And then just ruffle one section up. Like
No matter
that.
where?
Well, yeah, in front of your sticks.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, twist it.
Which way?
Doesn't matter.
Away? Okay.
All right, now put that in between your pegs.
Nailed it.
They're both upside down, but it's a good start. Y'all, sometimes you have to let them like make the mistake so they can see it, right? Okay, so pretty side up on the tail,
Okay.
and then slide it in there. There you go. So this way, whenever you pull your loop back over, y'all, sharing space is not working out for me. Trying like not to be in her elbow space. Okay. So when you pull your ribbon back, you're gonna twist it again.
Or we're on the same.
So pretty side is gonna be on this side,
Okay.
and then upside down over here.
Okay.
Then slide that in your pegs. Okay.
So we're like flipping this guy inside out. Sort of?
So, see how it looks like that?
Yeah, mine's just going on the top. Is that?
This is just going in the opposite direction for some reason. There you go. Now you're back on track. All right. Measure out. All right, so see how far this one went? So mine's at about 8 inches. Where's yours?
9.
Okay. So just measure out the same length on the other side.
Okay.
And then you can just slide that right between the pegs.
No twisting?
And then as you push down, turn it sideways. So that it crunches down. Yeah, there you go. All right. Then this tail over here, just measure it about the same size as your loop and cut it off. All right. Then I like to put one short tail up and a loop down. And then on the other side, I put a loop up and the tail down.
We fluff yet? Fluff. Fluff. No, not yet.
You can. I mean, you beat that one up.
It's fine, it's fine. Mel says it doesn't matter how smushed it gets, you can fix it.
She did say that. She did say that. So now grab your medium ribbon. Pull it just a little bit to your side. There you go. Now on this one, we're going to measure this tail just a little bit longer than that loop. Then on this one, you can just twist it because it's like medium, so it doesn't. Yep, and then put that twist right between your pegs. All right, so now you should have the pretty side of your ribbon up over here. and it should be upside down on this side.
Yep.
All right. Then I like to pull mine up towards that tail and then just pull it back to you. And then you'll give it another twist and just put that twist right into that peg.
Are we measuring again?
Yeah. I make mine just a little bit smaller than that tail.
Okay. Oh yeah, you already said that.
Yep.
I was focused on trying to get the pretty side of the ribbon up.
All right. So then when you pull it this way, you should see the ugly side of your ribbon up,
Yep.
and then you just lay it back inside of it.
Shorter than this guy?
Yeah. Yep. And then just pull you down a tail and give it a trim.
Longer than this one?
Yep.
Hey, the man's head. Oh, there's so many turns.
All right. Grab one of your. I would do the other one because we got a lot of paint already.
Well, I
Okay,
want
turn
it.
your ribbon around to start, because there you go. That way, whenever you pull it, it wants to come to
Maybe
you.
that's the problem. All right, all right.
All right, so we're gonna measure out a tail that's about the same length as this one.
The first or second?
This one. There you go. Now, just give it a good twist one time. I think that's where you're messing up. So leave this side up and twist this side.
Ah.
So now your pretty side's up, and your ugly side is up.
Too long.
All right, so now you should have on this side,
The ugly side.
the ugly side.
Look, it didn't twist.
That's right. Pull you a little bit of slack. All right, now you're gonna lay it right back on top, a little bit shorter loop. Now you're gonna twist this side over here so that your pretty side stays up. Other way, twist it the other way. Twist it away from you. There you go.
There we go.
All right, so you're gonna pull yourself a little bit of slack.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna measure your short tail this time.
The black one? Oh, tail.
This
Okay.
way. This way though. Look, you got a tail up here.
Oh, okay.
All right. Then you're gonna twist this side.
We do shorter?
Yeah.
Twist away.
Away.
So pretty
Yep.
side's
Put
up.
that twist right in there.
Are we twisting this one?
Yep.
Twist this way.
Yep. And then you just slide the other one right in there. You don't have to twist.
Longer or shorter than the other tail?
It doesn't matter.
It looks real crazy. You sure you can make this look like a bow?
All right. So now this is the tricky part.
Okay.
You have to remove it out of there without letting it all fall apart.
Crab fingers.
Okay. So what I do is
Mhm.
I put my thumb on top right
Okay.
here, and then I slide my other hand underneath it so like each finger is on each side of the.
Okay.
That way, whenever you pull it out, okay, then your pipe cleaner goes right between those two fingers,
Oh gosh, which two fingers?
like this.
This?
Right between the fingers around the whole bow. Right between the fingers around the whole bow.
So you have, is this right?
Well, you only wrapped your fingers, not the bow. Y'all, she literally just wrapped her two fingers up and not. Okay, so you want to go around the bow.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Through the fingers on one side and on this side this
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now push down with your thumb
Okay.
and squeeze tight with these two fingers.
Okay.
So you have a good clamp on it.
Yeah.
Then you just take your pipe cleaner and you pull your bow away from you so that it's nice and tight.
There we go. Okay.
And then just give it a good twist. Nice and tight. Twist the bow.
Move the thumb. Okay.
You listen.
Oh, twist the
bow
bow.
is supposed to be
Twist the
twisted.
bow. Twist the bow. Twist the bow.
Now, remember what Mel told you?
You can save
You can,
everything.
you can save it. Yeah. See how mine looks?
Yeah, I do. Mine's almost like that.
That's okay. So, just start with your tails. That's
Oh,
what I would
okay.
do, and just kind of do like this little number, like you were with that Christmas ribbon that you wanted to curl.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Get those all nice and pretty.
Whoa, that's cool.
Okay. And then on your loops, what I like to do is like put your hand in the loop and pull it out and then slowly open your fingers. Pull it further out. So that you get a nice little loop. Yep. It's not a sad day. Watch. Here, let's help.
Do you think you can fix that?
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start pulling our loops,
Mm-hmm.
and we're just gonna pull them all the way out. See how your loop is like sideways?
Yeah.
So we're gonna give it a little bit of tension to make it get back straight,
Okay.
and then we're gonna fluff them out a little bit. So you made really big loose loops.
Is this the style?
It's more like a Christmas tree topper style. Like if you
Oh.
look in that box underneath
Mhm.
those two wreaths, you'll see I have one in there.
Oh, okay. So it's just being subconsciously festive.
Yeah. So like with this one, see how the loops are kind of big and floppy? So whenever you would go to put it into your tree and you'd pull it in tight, all your
Mhm.
loops would perk up.
Mm. So that could that also go like on a garland or something?
It could.
You pull it through.
Yep.
What do you guys call them? Swag?
Swag. Yeah. There might be one by your. So now if you like put your bow right here,
Oh, it looks so good right there.
yeah. So once you tighten this up in here, and then you fluffed it out again, like your loops would stay up a little bit better.
It's so cute in there.
All right. The other way to fix it, if your loops are a little bit too big, get all your little loops pointing down. We're gonna need a zip tie for this procedure. Okay, so get your zip tie, get it started. You wanna hear like one or two little clicks. Don't pull it too tight because you wanna have a lot of space here. Okay, then you're gonna get this and you're gonna pull it into your fingers
Mm-hmm.
like a little bouquet.
Okay.
See how it is?
Yep.
See how it is? See how we got that little bundle on the back end? We're gonna get a zip tie around that.
Mmm.
So get your fingers on one side and then pull your zip tie. Don't pinch your finger fat. It's a thing. And just tighten it up. These are also the ones that you got me. All right, and then fluff it out. And look how your loops are sticking up now.
Oh yeah. See, hopefully someone else is out there has long loop syndrome, and now LLS, and I know how to fix it with a zip tie.